In Excel, we can convert Fahrenheit temperature into Celsius and Celsius temperatures into Fahrenheit. To do that, we need a table which will consist of Fahrenheit temperatures, and we will convert them into Celsius. So we have a table where we will put random numbers in Fahrenheit column. To put random numbers, we will first select all these cells and press equal to from keyboard. Then we will use a formula which is rand between. Here we will specify the bottom value and top value of these numbers. I will specify minus 99 as the bottom value and 200 as the top value. Then I will press Ctrl Enter to fill all the cells of the selected cells. If we drag these from top to bottom, the numbers will be changed automatically. But the range will be the same, which is from minus 99 to 200. Therefore, I will copy this number and paste these values as paste values. Now the numbers will not be altered, will not be changed. All these are in Fahrenheit unit. We need to convert this into Celsius unit. As we know the formula, C by 5 equal to F minus 32 by 9. We have derived a formula from this to convert this number into Celsius. In the first Celsius cell, we are going to put the formula which will convert it into Celsius. It is 5 into, within parenthesis, Fahrenheit temperature, which is minus 79 in our case, minus 32, bracket close, divided by 9. So we can view that minus 79 degree Fahrenheit is equal to minus 61 degree centigrade. To verify this, we can use calculator software which is available in the window. In the calculator, we will put minus 79 and we can see that the Fahrenheit temperature is minus 61.667, which is correct. So now we have verified the result. Now I will drag this from top to bottom to fill all the cells. Now all the Fahrenheit temperatures are converted into Celsius temperature. We can also put the degree symbol, the degree Fahrenheit and the degree centigrade symbol beside these numbers. To do that, we will select we will select the Celsius temperatures, all the cells in the Celsius temperature, and go to its number formatting. In the number formatting, we will use custom formatting. We can see that there are many values after the decimal point, 6 or 7 values. We will put only 2 values after the decimal points. We want to set these numbers up to 2 decimal places. Therefore, we will use 0.00. Thereafter, a space, and within double inverted comma, we have to use the degree symbol. So, first we need to insert the degree symbol in any cell of this sheet. To do that, we will click any cell, then go to Insert and Symbol. In the Symbol dialog box, we will select any font such as Arial Black and then Basic Latin. Then we will drag a little bit and we will find the degree sign. Then insert, close. The degree sign is inserted in the cell. We will copy this degree sign by Ctrl C. Then select all the numbers in the Celsius cell, go to its number formatting, and in the custom we will type 0.00 space within double inverted comma. We will paste the degree sign using Ctrl V. It is the Celsius, then we will type C. We will close the double inverted comma. Okay. Now we can see the degree centigrade symbol is attached with the values. In a similar way, we will attach the degree Fahrenheit symbol in the Fahrenheit cells. To do that, first we will copy the degree symbol, which is already copied in the clipboard, therefore no need to copy. Select all these numbers, go to its number formatting, and in the number formatting click custom. Since all these numbers are integers, there are no decimal places, we will use only 0. Then a space within double inverted comma, we will paste the degree symbol, and it is in Fahrenheit, so we will type F in capital letter and close the double inverted comma. Thereafter click OK. We can see the Fahrenheit symbol, degree Fahrenheit symbol is embedded with the numbers. This is how we can convert Fahrenheit temperature into Celsius temperature in Excel, and also we can insert the degree centigrade and the degree Fahrenheit symbol to these numbers. Thank you.